Very, very good afternoon. Very, very good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Today, a political poem, Uniform, which has been written by Siddhi Charan Shrestha. Very prolific poet, very eminent figure, very recognized personality of English literature as well as Nepali literature. Siddhi Charan Shrestha. Before telling something in detail, first of all, yes, I would like to tell about early life of Siddhi Charan Shrestha. Siddhi Charan Shrestha. His parental house was in Kathmandu. His father was in government sector, government job, and during the Rana regime, his father was transferred into Okardunga. Right now, Okardunga is in province number 1. Okardunga, the district name of Nepal, province number 1. Mountainous part of Nepal, very beautiful place of Nepal, isn't it? And for a long years, as a job holder of government, he has spent long time in Okardunga. During this course of time, Siddhi Charan Shrestha was born. Definitely, he was indeed a birth. He wanted to give something to the name of Okardunga. So his writing is very famous. My beloved Okardunga is really very famous among the lover of literature. My beloved Okardunga. He tried to describe about the cultures. He tried to describe about the beauties of nature. He described about the scene and scenery of Okardunga. He described about rock. He described about river. He described about much and more things. The time Nepal was under the under the control of Rana regime. Really, dear students, you know very well how much Ranas were suppression and oppression to the Nepali people. You know very well. Go in detail. Before going in detail, if you want to turn out the page of Nepali history, out of many dynasties, 3 dynasties are very important for you to know in detail. Lakshmi dynasty, golden period. Why golden period? That period, there were no any dissatisfaction. People were highly satisfied by taking rule and regulations. People were highly satisfied from the system of Lakshmi Island, isn't it? That's why people were also able to pay taxes to the relevant king of Lakshmi dynasty, or more than 500 years, Lakshmi dynasty ruled over this country. Each and every king of Lakshmi dynasty became very popular island. There was no any criticism against Lakshmi kings. For example, here Prachanda Dev, Kamdev, Narendra Dev, such type of example really is. We are getting such type of example in history. They contributed for the development of Nepal too much years, isn't it? And people of Nepal were getting justice. In fact, there was no any bias, there was no any partiality, there was no any discriminating system during the time of Lakshmi. Come on, Malla dynasty. Once more in Nepal, on the surface of Nepal, golden period started during the time of Malla. You can take the example of Pratap Malla. Really, he also contributed to build the nation too much. He also sacrificed lots of things for building the nation island. And in place of their student, definitely yes, Nepali people like to pay taxes to the relevant government, relevant ruler idea, isn't it? So overall, people were really highly satisfied during the time. Lots of temples, lots of forts were built by Malla dynasty. Rani Pogri, you know, Rani Pogri is a really very good example. I mean, lots of temples are really very good example, which were built by Malla dynasty in Kathmandu and another part of Nepal also. Isn't it? But against this, Rana, by born Jan Bahadur Rana was not king. By born, yes, his father, but by born, yes, he was not from the king's family. His father was not king. He was really middle class family. He was from middle class family. But he was courageous, no doubt about it. He was very courageous, yes. And yes, slowly, yes, he came into the contact of a royal palace. That time, Rajendra Lakshmi Shah was ruling this country, yes. And there was conflicting starting, yes, due to what? Who will be the king of Nepal Island? Imagine, King had Rajendra Lakshmi had only 4 years child, 4 years old child, I mean, yes. Who might have problem to uttering, who might have problem to say something, yes, even the yes, son became the king of Nepal. Indirectly, I mean, yes. Rajendra Lakshmi Shah was ruling this country. One day, Rajendra Lakshmi Shah wanted to go to the jungle for hunting. At the same time, a lion camp in front of Rajendra Lakshmi Shah as well. Jan Bahadur Rana. Really, the time was very horrible. I mean, Rajendra Lakshmi Shah was also very afraid. But that time, Jan Bahadur Rana assured Rajendra Lakshmi Shah, yes, not be puzzled, no need to puzzle. Yes, everything will be okay, I think. If you give me permission, then yes, I will go near the lion, yes, and as like a small baby, yes, I can lift up in my lap. Really, same thing happened. At there. And from that day, yes, he was very favorable person. He became very favorable person in front of Rajendra Lakshmi Shah. No any bondage. There was no any barrier for going to the royal palace. I mean, yes, without any hesitation, you can say. Yes, he used to go to the royal palace for talking in detail about the conspiracy, about the matter of royal family. I mean, yes, and definitely. Finally, Jan Bahadur Rana handled this country. He was the founder of Rana rule. There was only dominating system, there was only discriminating system, there was only suppressing system, there was only torture, torturing systems yes, going on in Nepal. Very remarkable thing. During the time of Rana regime, printing press was completely banned, isn't it? There was no other options. Only yes, he has started to write. He has started to write with his own pen, and yes, place to place, yes, till overnight, yes, isn't it? He has started to complete it. For example, yes, a common place in front of yes, in front of common place, market, hard bazaar, you can see that yes, such type of thing. I mean yes, school also yes, common places also yes, and yes, slowly yes. People of Nepal became very active. Yes. How many days? Yes, we will stay in ceremony system. How many years we will spend our life in a slavery Definitely yes, we might have changed. This is very important to change our idea. Really, this is the witness. This is the witness of history. If people are dissatisfied one day, yes, definitely yes, all people will come into the revolution idea. Society should be free from corruption. Society should be free from corruption. Society should be free from discrimination. Society should be free from racial system. Society should be free from, yes, torture, dominating, harassment, or even yes, society should be yes, from inequality to equality. The time, definitely yes, people were not getting justice. People were dominated, People were tortured, definitely yes. And especially in the royal family, yes, in Rana family, in landlord family, yes, what to say that means, yes, openly flesh trade was going on. Flesh trade was going on in royal family. There was no any there was no any boundary. There was no any boundary even in landlord family of Nepal. Yes, such type of thing was going on. Really, that was really against the humanity. That was really against the dignity. Really, that was really dear student. Yes, against the what? Tell me. Social norms. Ruling time, yes, Ranas, kings were telling to the yes, or the orbit can be changed, but ruling of Rana's system will never end it. Sun can leave its point, orbit, yes, but Rana's system cannot be changed, yes. But in front of common people, in front of, yes, commoners, Rana, dear student, Rana, really, they cannot do anything, dear student, yes. Lots of example, into the context of world, we have lots of example. Even in India, even in Pakistan, even in America, even in Russia, even in France, dear student, yes, before commoners, before common people, yes, no one can do anything, yes, in front of commoners. Same incident happened in Nepal, during the time of Rana, yes, Nepali people were more group, yes, they have really very mind, they have really very, tell me, energy, they can do anything, yes, definitely, dear student. People never like such type of system which is completely based on oppressive system, suppressing system, dominating system, discriminating system. People never like. Yes, one day definitely there is such type of what power will be ended. Definitely you can say. Rise and fall. Rise and fall is the nature of law. Day and night is the nature of law. Nature of law, yes, definitely dear students, run our system. People never like the type of systems, yes, they always ignoring, yes. That, yes, those people during the Rana regime, who raised the question against the Rana system, yes, they were gunned down, they were shot, they were shot, or they were sent into the jail. For example, yes, you can say Lekhnath Paudel also contributed by writing lots of things. Yes, Nepali people became very active. Yes. So once more, dear student, yes, I have very good remembrance, dear student. One line, yes, still this time I remember. The time, yes, I was reading in college, bachelor. लेखकों की लेखनी में इतनी ताकत होती है, लेखकों के लेखनी में इतनी ताकत होती है, वो मुर्दों में भी जान ला सकती है. Really, very appreciating language, yes. Writer, dear student, your mind can be changed, Poet, your mind can be changed, Dramatist, your mind can be changed, yes. Isn't it? So definitely, dear student, yes. Pain is mightier than sword. Pain is mightier than sword. This is common saying among the what? Tell me, among the lover of literature. Yes. I appreciate such type of personality. Siddhi Charan Shrestha. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Any questions? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.